Yeah. Doom Squad. Lil Windy. Yeah, yo, the kid is here, said the kid is here. Ain't nobody better interfere. Get it crystal clear like Windex on a shitty mirror. Watch you disappear, they said on the mat. I've been the heavy demand, levels ahead of whatever you plan. Packing the weed in the passenger seat of a Chevy sedan. Ayy. You can see I go crazy, I'm chosen, give me my mo. You can rap every day, could've reached my throat. And I just jam like I eat on toast. My page, what you be on most. Y'all crack me up, I can see all jokes. I'll be on, y'all be on. I'm a whiz when I cook this a pea on roast. I've been doing what you wanna do, I know you flipping out, buddy, ain't it funny? We been putting fucking miles on the van tour, rapping like an ancient mummy. Bet you got fucking stains on your shirt, dirty pillows, and your blanket crummy. Where I'm from, if you stay in pocket, you get washed up like some paper money. My smooth rap and leave you baffled like, ooh, this shit's the truth. So in true fashion, I'm a loose cannon and you just lit the fuse. Give me the mic and I'm gonna smash it. Thinking of winning, I've been a hazard. Look at the way that I roll. You don't wanna end it so tragic, like right. Yeah, Lil Windy, Deuce 5. I ain't got nothing in common with nobody, mine is enough for debate. Nah, nigga, you with it or fuckin' with nobody know you, I'm one of the greats. Ha, we coming to spray. Them one in the brain. We cleaning it up. My niggas ain't fucking with stains. I'm freaking invincible, flipping the flippable, nigga, this isn't forgivable. I'm joining the dark side of the sparks fly, cause you getting a window. And nigga, you pitiful, yo, but you digital, you be contributing minimal. You niggas is dark time with the dark skies, I don't this is subliminal. Tell them niggas ain't better with us, we gon' do them dirty, then we sell them pictures like every minute, smoke 11 switches. You should call your parents for appearance issues. Heavenly voice, heaven's mission. Every week another set of bitches. Getting a joke, you can laugh it up when I'm laughing it up as I'm getting a victim. Yeah, the glass coffee table dusty, motherfuck the other vinegar products, that shit too musty on it. So tell your mom to pay the Netflix bill and we gon' chill. A certain level is needed to be as skilled as me. Trips.
I've been A1 since day one, motherfucker. Yo, Windex, what up? Yeah. I've been A1 since day one. Lil Windex gon' spray some, don't play dumb. These rappers are not on my level and know you are not from the ghetto. Yo, you better not pass him a shovel cause you'll be the rapping forever. Whoa. I body kicks with karate kicks, you ain't hot as this. Fuck your politics, I'm not a bitch, it is obvious. You're a bottomless fucking pot of piss, suck a lot of dicks. You should call the quicks, you do not exist in my audience. It's $D for life is either mine or your life. You need to live your own life. Fiendin', I'm a low life. Face down, ass up, glass up, windows down. That chronic, we gon' pass it round. Head that shit, yeah, dab it down. These were on your stereo, a boombox everywhere. Yo, or moonwalk it and talk it to talk it, walk it so very slow. The truth has been revealed. We really do this shit for good. We really walk it out your way, not wearing shoes you couldn't fit.
Lil in that motherfucker. Yeah. I got a gold chain and some gold teeth, cocaine and an OE. Don't claim that you know me if you don't hang in these cold streets. Yeah, go slang when you go sleep, and I'm gon' take what you don't eat. You got no name and it's so lame, you got no bangers and no heat. I'm popping the molly, woo. The fuck up my bitch, she hot with wasabi, she all on my body, woo. She calling me poppy, I'm calling the lobby to give me some food, yeah. I'ma order that shrimp, put it all on the barbie, you know what to do, yeah. I'm just doing my thing and they're not gonna stop me. They all with a red dot, got a loud bang when I let pop. Chicken chow mein out your head plop, hit the floor drop at the dead stop. Hit the door pronto, the sped off in an orange Bronco with 10 cops right behind us, trying to find us with the sirens, but they're best off. If they back down, I'm the class clown. Hey bank teller, give me cash now. We're a click clack and then pop pound, man. All my fucking homies act wild like rickety dickety duck. Yeah, Lil Windy just picked up a Glock. Lil Windy gon' dip to the block. I'm hitting the lick for the guap. Hey.